Hi, boys and girls. Let's do some subtraction. You already know a lot about number bonds, so I think this is going to be kind of cool. First of all, you don't need anything right now. Just watch me for a bit. I have a number bond here. I'm going to move it over just a little. Okay? And I want you to answer me out loud, or if you want, you could have your whiteboard in front of you and you could write it. So if Miss Rudd put a 5 here, what would two parts here be? There's lots of possibilities. If I put this here, what would go here? Did you say 3? You are right. How do you know that? Can you tell me the addition equations you would write using this number bond? That's right. It would be 2 plus 3 equals 5. Or we can go backwards and do a turnaround. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or we could start with the 5s and say that 5 equals what? 2 plus 3. Or 5 equals 3 plus 2. Well, you're saying that's already, we know that. But what do you think? Could you do a subtraction equation for this? You can. When you do subtraction, you have to start with the biggest number, the whole number. So what's the whole number on this number bond? The 5. So that's what we would start with, 5. And this time we're going to take away. Do you want to take away 2? If we had 5 and we took away 2, it would equal 3. What's the next equation we could write? Well, we have to start with 5, and we could take away the 3, and it will equal 2. It's good to check. Let's see. 5, take away 2. Did it work? Yes, it equals 3. Let's try this one. 5, take away 1, 2, 3 equals 2. Good job. It's a little confusing, but I think you get it. So if I tell you a number bond, let's try this one. Let's try, those are the number bonds, right? 4, 2, 2. If we were going to subtract, we have to start with the whole number, the biggest number. So you would say 4, and what are we going to take away? Take away 2. And what does it equal? 2. Let's see if it's right. 4, take away 2 equals 2. It's true. Now, we can't really, you cannot turn around subtraction. That's a little different. That's the only one we can write for that. Let's do another one. Ready? Why don't we try 6? If I have 6, and over here I have 4, how many would go here? Well, let's see. 6, take away 4. We don't know what it's going to equal. Let's try it. 6, right? 5 and 1 is 6. Take away 1, 2, 3, 4. It equals 2. Look at that. So the 2 would go here. 6 take away 4 equals 2. Or we could do 6 and we could take away the 2. Then what would it equal? The answer's in the number bond. 6 take away 1, 2 equals 4. Very good. Now, boys and girls, and moms and dads, don't worry if this was all a little bit confusing. This is just confusing. This is just step 1. This will become much more comfortable as we move on, and it's something that is going to be covered extensively in first grade. So this is just kind of an introduction. Some kids are ready for it. I think that's what we're doing in Happy Numbers. So if they need more practice, that's the place to go. And this work today, we're going to be working on pages 64 and 65. And it doesn't involve number bonds. Again, what you're going to be doing is we're going to have somebody at home read you the word problem. Tyler bought a cone with 4 scoops. He ate 1 scoop. That means you're going to cross out 1 scoop. How many are left? Well, you can see how many are left if I cross out 1. There's 3, so you're going to fill in the equation. 4 take away 1 equals 3. And if some children are really excited about number bonds for subtraction, they could draw their number bond there. Not necessary, but for those that are ready. And again, here and here, moms and dads will read the story. The children will react to the pictures and then finish the number sentence. And again, on the back. All right? So math is a lot more practice now and a lot less of me. But you can work with number bonds with your child. You can go to Happy Numbers and can continue there, because as we get closer to the end of our workbook, and it tells you at the top, just so you know, like it says K2, that's going to be the level that they're at. I think that's what it is, K4, yeah. So it's module 4, and I think they're up to level K. So, oh, look at, no, it's kindergarten. Miss Red's kind of crazy here. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Here's where it is. We are on lesson 21. Okay? So you can kind of match it up and see where you're at in Happy Numbers. Most children are ready to move on a little more. So, have a good day.